guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Yvette, and I am going to be opening up my Lola beauty box. And you know, I see other people do this, and I don't know if it's that I never really noticed before or what. But the thing with this box is, take a listen. Doesn't feel like there's any packaging in there. And so my only concern, which is what everyone else's concern is if you have something in there like eyeshadow or a blusher or a highlighter, bronzer, anything like that, I mean, that could get broken very easily. Anyways, let's open it up. Let's check out what's in the box for May. And this is only my second one, so, okay. It says Bloom, Lola Bloom. And there's the card. That is really gorgeous. I love those lilies. That's beautiful. And then on the back, oh, it's all coming back. The bright colors, and then it's all in bold capital letters. Very difficult to read. I don't understand why you would do that. And then, I mean, the colors is like, you know, you could lose your eyesight trying to, anyway, okay. Let's see what's inside. The first thing that I take out is a Nail Couture Lauren B. Beauty Polishing Hand Scrub. And let's try to, there we go. So that is, does it have a scent? Enriched with botanical oils, amino acids, and something that I can't read. Why is it I'm not, oh, okay, so it has a seal on it. Hold on. Why is it that I'm like the only one in my age group that I know of who can't read things without reading glasses? I mean, come on, this is like crazy. Okay, and I can't smell anything, so I have no idea why I'm putting this on my hand to feel and smell, because, okay, it is a polishing hand scrub. It feels really nice. Oh, I can actually smell that. It's a nice light scent. I mean, it does just sort of smell like essential oils. It smells nice. And of course, it's a scrub. It's not going to rub in, so I'll just have to leave that like that, I guess. I wasn't thinking of that one. I thought it might have just kind of mixed in, but it doesn't feel like it's going to. Okay. The next thing is Stiks. Stiks. Tangerine lipstick. Tangerine? I mean, that matches my shirt, but really? Okay. Ugh. Get this open. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious, great balls of fire. That is tangerine. Are you serious right now? Look how freaking orange that is, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. So, okay. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at that. I can't wear that. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. And it's like a one. All right. I'm not even going to swatch it because I'm going to give that away. I can't wear that. You look like a clown. Who puts on orange lipstick like that? Okay. I apologize because there's probably somebody out there who loves this shade, and I'm really sorry. I would not wear orange lipstick. That's coral. I mean, that's not even coral. If you saw it in person, it's freaking orange, like a pumpkin. It's oranger than a pumpkin. Okay, gonna close that up. The next thing is, oh, I might as well put it back in the little package because I'm gonna pass that along. Okay. It's a brush. It is C490 Duo Fiber Blush Blender. Yeah, it says blush blender. Okay, so this side is pretty soft. This one's soft too, but it's more stiff and flat, whereas this is okay. That's really cool. I don't think I've ever seen well, maybe I have seen a brush that has the two sides like that. That's really cool. All right. No, it's good. Okay, and the next item, Juice Beauty Phyto-Pigments Cream Shadow Stick. Oh, it's an eyeshadow stick. Awesome. It says that it just says cream, COVE. COVE is the color. I love eyeshadow sticks. My fave right now is, forget I even said that because now I can't remember. Hold on. Marc Jacobs. Woo! I'm so proud of myself. Woo! I remembered something. I remembered something. Oh, you have no idea. Okay. So there it is. Juice Beauty. The organic solution. And their stuff is all organic, and that's really great. Okay, so there's the color. So it's quite a nude shade. See, and I have oily skin. I've said this a million times. So usually whatever it is that I have anywhere on my face, my skin just soaks it up by the end of the day. Because my skin's just very oily. But let's swatch this a little bit and see what it looks like. Okay, that's very light. See it? So I'm thinking that, ignore this. This is the hand scrub. I mean, and I had to like really rub to get that there. So I don't know if it's meant to be like a base or, you know, I don't know. Interesting. Because I usually use like a charcoal type color, or, I mean, I'll use others that are sort of lighter like this, but they have lots of like shimmer in it, which I like. Anyways, so Juice Beauty, very cool. I'll at least give it a go. We'll see, you know, see what it looks like. I just feel like I had to really rub that so I could just see, you know, I'm trying to get my trying to get you to be able to see it on my eyes. Okay, and there's one thing left. Oh geez. It's a Tarte palette. Okay. I don't know if any of you guys got the Try Beauty Box limited edition. You know, I feel really stupid for having bought that now. I mean, it comes out of Canada, and so like with shipping, I paid like $50 for that. And even though my palette wasn't broken, I've heard so many things about it. Like, okay, I don't even know what's the truth. I'll be honest with you. The first one thing I heard was that it's knockoff Tarte. It's not even Tarte. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it's legit to me. So, you know, how do you know? The other thing is, some people are saying that maybe it was expired. Others are saying that I don't know, that they got it from a warehouse somewhere, that Tarte is not affiliated with. Well, if that's true, then how do we get this if they're not affiliated with any boxes? Because I don't know, I'm very confused by the whole thing. And I know that like the Bobbi Brown mascara that I got was hella old. Okay, I don't know how old that was, but I could tell you that the whole thing was dried out, and then when I went to open it, it had like this cracky noise. I didn't really think anything of it at the time, but then it was like I had given it to somebody, and I felt like really terrible. I had to call, you know, let them know that they needed to just chuck it, because I'm like, I wouldn't put that on. I felt terrible. Anyway, I've now wasted 400 minutes talking about that again, but here's the Tarte palette. Oops. And there's the container. And you see, I mean, it looks like Tarte to me. This looks like totally like something that they would have. So if it's not legit, how do you know? I don't know. But it looks very nice, and it all looks exactly the way Tarte products look. So it looks nice. I don't know. And that's why I'm very confused about the other palette, because that looked really nice too. Mine, luckily I was one of the people who got one that was intact. Now mine had the little bubbles, which I think comes from extreme heat or extreme cold. I think that's what they said, that, but it was supposed to still be fine to use. But now I don't know if I should use it or not. I don't know. Anyways, so that's everything that's in the Lola Beauty box, and I think it's quite nice. I just wish they would package better. I'm really surprised this isn't all broken to bits. Who knows? I don't know. Well, this isn't going in right, because it's got this. Maybe that's why it stayed good, because it has this thing surrounding it that sort of protected it. And I probably should have taken that out and wrapped it again and then put it back in, so that it keeps it nice. So anyways, that's the Lola Beauty box. I've said that now 3 times. And it's Friday afternoon, and we're supposed to have a pretty crappy weekend, so hopefully I'll get some sewing done. I feel like I haven't sewed anything in like ages. And I'm thinking about, I'm not really good with doing like tutorials with sewing, but perhaps maybe while I'm sewing something, I could like have some sort of dialogue going, or this whole thing is going to be a work in progress, because it's very difficult, in my opinion. Maybe others have a different opinion, but in my opinion, it's very difficult to try to film something like that when you're on your own. It's not like I have someone here with me to, focus on whatever it is I'm doing. So anyways, I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye.